Did you know that Thailand is home to over 40,000 temples and some of the world's most beautiful beaches? That's right, this incredible country has so much to offer. And today, we're diving into the top things you need to do and see in Thailand in 2024. Welcome to DIY Adventure Lab's Thailand Travel Guide, where we'll explore the top experiences in this stunning country. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, Thailand has something special waiting for you. So grab your bags and let's embark on this adventure. Now, I know what you're thinking. Thailand is massive, and of course, with its rich culture, diverse landscapes, and bustling cities, it can be overwhelming to decide what to prioritize. Where do you even start? The fear of missing out on something spectacular is real, but fear not, because today we'll guide you through the must-see spots and experiences that will make your trip to Thailand unforgettable. Let's break it down, shall we? Our journey begins in Bangkok, the vibrant capital city that never sleeps. Here, the Grand Palace and Wat Arun, home to the Emerald Buddha, are the must-see landmarks. These sites aren't just visually stunning, they're dripping with history and culture, offering a glimpse into Thailand's rich royal heritage. And, of course, you can't talk about Bangkok without mentioning the street food, from spicy som tam, papaya salad, to the ever-popular pad thai. The flavors here are nothing short of legendary. Take a stroll through the bustling markets where the aroma of sizzling meats and fragrant spices will make your mouth water. Next, we head north to the serene city of Chiang Mai, known for its beautiful temples and the famous Yipeng Lantern Festival. Imagine thousands of lanterns floating into the sky, casting a warm glow over the city. It's nothing short of magical. Chiang Mai also offers a unique blend of ancient and modern attractions, from the historic old city to the vibrant night bazaars. Let me reassure you, the adventure doesn't stop there. Let's talk about Thailand's islands. Each one is a paradise in its own right. Koh Phi Phi is the place to go if you're looking for a lively atmosphere with crystal clear waters and vibrant nightlife. For a more tranquil escape, head to Koh Lanta, where you can relax on pristine beaches and explore hidden caves. Let me tell you, don't forget the northern jungles. Here you can trek through lush forests, visit remote hill tribes, or even spend a day with elephants in one of the many ethical sanctuaries, where these majestic creatures are cared for and respected. But wait, we've saved the best for last. Here are the top 3 experiences you absolutely cannot miss while visiting Thailand this year.
First on the list is Phang Nga Bay, a place of otherworldly beauty. Imagine kayaking through emerald green waters, surrounded by towering limestone cliffs, and visiting the iconic James Bond Island, where the famous movie The Man with the Golden Gun was filmed. It's a scene straight out of a dream.
Next, immerse yourself in Thai culture at the floating markets. These bustling waterways are filled with vendors selling everything from fresh produce to handcrafted souvenirs. Here, you can sample authentic Thai dishes right from a boat. Talk about a unique dining experience. Finally, we have the breathtaking sunsets at Wat Arun, also known as the Temple of Dawn. Located on the banks of the Chao Phraya River, Wat Arun's stunning architecture and riverside location make it the perfect spot to watch the sun dip below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. This is one Instagram-worthy moment you won't want to miss. Summing it all up, Thailand is a country that offers something for every type of traveler. Whether you're navigating the bustling streets of Bangkok, relaxing on the serene beaches of Phuket, or exploring the cultural treasures of Chiang Mai, I am most positive you will surely create unforgettable memories in this beautiful land. DIY Adventure Lab would love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share your favorite Thai destination or experience. And be sure to check out our next video for more travel tips and tricks to make your journey even better. Thanks for watching and happy travels. See you soon.